Hey there! If you're stuck or having an issue in Clash of Clans, don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to contact Supercell's official support for Clash of Clans, step by step. First up, open any browser and go to Google. Then type in Supercell Clash of Clans support forum. The official link should show Clash of Clans in the title. It usually shows up first in the results. Go ahead and click it. Once you're on the support page, make sure to log into your Supercell ID. Just hit the login button in the center of the screen and follow the steps. After logging in, scroll down and pick the category that matches your issue. For example, if it's a payment problem, choose Payment and Purchases. Next, enter your player tag. This helps support identify your account. Your email will autofill from your Supercell login, so no need to type it in again. Now, describe the issue clearly in the message box. Then, check the I'm not a robot box and hit submit. And that's it. Supercell's support team will get back to you through your linked email. If this helped you out, go ahead and tap like and check out our other Clash of Clans guides.